Perfecting the present perfect. The negatives. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of the present perfect tense with a focus on negative sentences using regular verbs. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at expressing actions that have not happened in the past up until now. Let's get started. The present perfect tense is a tense that connects the past and the present. It's used to talk about actions that have happened at an unspecified time before now or that started in the past and continue to the present. The form is has, have plus past participle. Example: she has worked here for 5 years. Regular verbs are verbs that follow a regular pattern when changing from present to past tense, or to the past participle. They usually add ed or d at the end. Examples: work, worked, worked, play, played, played. Now that we have a basic understanding of the present perfect tense and regular verbs, let's dive into negative sentences. The negative form of the present perfect tense is created by adding not after has or have. The form is has not, hasn't, or have not, haven't, plus past participle. Example: she has not worked here for 5 years, or she hasn't worked here for 5 years. To help you get a hang of negative sentences in the present perfect tense, let's take a look at some more examples. 1. I have not visited France. 2. They haven't played the piano. 3. We haven't finished the project. 4. You have not eaten your lunch. Try to form your own negative sentences in the present perfect tense using regular verbs. Remember, practice is key to mastering any aspect of grammar. And there you have it. By now, you should be more comfortable forming negative sentences in the present perfect tense with regular verbs. Remember, the formula is has, have plus not plus past participle. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.